What's going on, people? Back with another episode of Beardology, and today we'll be discussing beards and your nighttime routine. But before I jump into that, I've got some announcements I would love to share with you guys. At Constituted by Nature, we have been working tirelessly to expand and grow the brand, and I'm proud to announce we are now available across multiple international channels. You can now find our brand in France and Germany via Rokutan, Spain and Portugal via Walton, and the UAE and Saudi Arabia via Faces. We've been also working on our UK partnerships, and I am extremely proud to announce we are now available at Tesco's UK. It's a massive milestone for us, and I'm really pleased. And I would love to thank the team for all their tireless efforts to ensure that Constituted by Nature goes from strength to strength. The channel has also been growing. We have now hit that 11,000 mark, which is a massive milestone for us. And I would love to thank the community for all the support you guys have shown. Without you, this channel even wouldn't be what it is today. So thank you guys for all the support. Now, in order for the channel to continue growing, you guys need to continue liking the content, continue sharing that content. And if you haven't subscribed already, please ensure you subscribe to the channel. The nighttime routine is for anybody that's completely committed to keeping the beard in top condition. Now, the daytime routine, yeah, we got that locked down, but the nighttime routine is either something which is completely neglected or not done at all. So I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide to keep your beard in tip-top condition while you sleep at night. Step number one, cleansing your beard. Now, I can guarantee you throughout the day, you're gonna get dirt, gunk, grime is all going to build up throughout your beard. And if you're anything like me, you're 100% going to get food in your beard. Use a cleanser to get rid of all of these impurities and pollutants out of your beard. Now, I'm specifically saying use a beard cleanser because your regular cleanser is just going to lead to beard dandruff, breakage, and split ends. A simple routine to follow is rinse your beard thoroughly, apply the beard cleanser, make sure you get right down to the roots touching the skin, and then again rinse your beard with lukewarm water to ensure all the products has left your beard. And then pat your beard with a towel. Do not rub, because again that will lead to breakage. We don't want that. Just pat your beard down, and if your beard is longer, use a microfiber towel to pat down your beard, and that will nicely dry your beard but also keep that moisture within your beard as well. Step number two, use a beard conditioner. We mentioned in the previous one, once you've cleansed, you pat down your beard, you're gonna again have to then apply your beard conditioner. You can either use a leave-in conditioner or a rinse-out conditioner. Personally, I use a rinse-out conditioner just because I wanna get all that stuff out of my beard, because I'm going to apply products thereafter. Very similar to the previous routine, where you will rinse down your beard with lukewarm water, add your conditioner, specifically a beard conditioner just because we don't want to damage the hair. Leave your conditioner in for a few minutes and then rinse out with lukewarm water. Pat down your beard with either a microfiber towel or a regular towel, ensuring you not only keep the moisture in your beard, but you prevent beard breakage. Step three, apply products. Now, you can either use a beard oil or a beard butter. Personally, I use both just because I want to do the lock method, which I've mentioned with our 3-step method products. So once you've pat down your beard, you'll still have that added moisture from the water which was left in your beard. Apply your beard oil. Make sure you get right down to the roots of the hair and then down to the tips of your hair, and then apply your beard butter. Very similar to the oil, make sure you get right down to the root, touching your skin, and then to the tips of your hair. And then once you've done that, you can either comb out to make sure you spread all the oil, or just leave it as it is. That will ensure that your beard not only stays moist and hydrated, but it's conditioned, and the butter will give it that added softness you need so you're ready for the next day. And then our final step is having a silk or satin pillowcase. Trust me when I say this, this is probably the most crucial part to the routine. And I say that because your regular pillowcase will guarantee lead to breakage or damaging your beard hair. Trust me, just check in the morning and see if there's any beard hair on your pillows. That's because of the roughness and the rubbing against your beard. And if you're anything like me, where you toss and turn at night to get in a comfortable position, you'll find beard hair on your pillow. The silk and satin pillowcase will prevent this from actually happening. Jump on Amazon, type in silk and satin pillowcase, and ensure this is a part of your routine. So that brings us to the end of episode 11. Episode 12 will be out same time next week. So ensure you share, like, and leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.